The Flying Cloud is our most popular, versatile, and family-friendly travel trailer. With more floor plans available than any other model, there's a just right for everyone. And the light and airy design keeps you ready to float from one adventure to the next, bringing your comfort zone right along with you. Will you need sleeping space for two or several? Will you lounge at the table or would you prefer a sofa? Decades of listening to Airstreamers on the road helped Airstream come up with answers to all kinds of preferences. And no model has more floor plans than the Flying Cloud. Take a look and see what speaks to you. See all the storage, family-friendly sleeping spaces, and the modern technology that keeps everyone comfortable and happy. The rear hatch is a stunning feature usually reserved for special edition travel trailers, but Airstream decided to bring it to the 27FB Flying Cloud. The Flying Cloud's clean wood look gives you plenty of places to keep things out of sight, including roomy cabinets, pull-out pantries, and lots of smart little nooks. You don't have to make tough choices on what to leave behind, there's a place for everything. If you love camping but miss the convenience of your appliances at home, you're going to love the Flying Cloud's kitchen. A 4-burner gas stove, Baraldi cooking vent, optional microwave, and a large bowl sink make cooking not just easy, but enjoyable. And you can still make s'mores on the campfire whenever you want. Air conditioning and heating can make or break a trip. That's why Airstream's QuietStream ducted climate control system easily and quickly cools the cabin, and does so in relative silence. It even features a heat pump that pulls ambient heat from the air to warm the travel trailer without using the furnace and without causing condensation. At Airstream, every single design choice is made for a reason. And in fact, there are plenty of reasons Airstream uses ultra leather for their travel trailer furniture. It's incredibly supple and soft, yet durable and long-lasting with special strengthening components. It resists temperature change and will never crack from cold weather. And it's easy to clean, pet-friendly, and won't scratch or stain, so your furniture looks as beautiful on day one as it does long down the road. High-end appliances like a Furion 3-burner gas stove, Baraldi cooking vent, and built-in microwave make cooking fun and easy. Clean lines in the cabinetry, a neutral countertop and a modern amone faucet keep things looking good in the galley, before, during, and after a meal. Lower cabinets for all of your pots and pans, and upper lockers for groceries and dishes, and even pull-out pantries for easy access. Each cabinet is made of high-quality materials that stand the test of time, while keeping your trailer light on its feet. Ocean air blinds throughout the trailer easily roll open or closed, while blackout curtains in the front and back provide complete privacy. Check out this new Airstream Flying Cloud 27FB now at Sutton RV. Stock number 6140.